Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone in just a few easy steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select AirDrop. Now choose Everyone for 10 minutes. This allows all nearby Apple devices to discover your iPhone temporarily. After that, try sending the file again. If that does not work, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn them back on. Next, check Screen Time Restrictions. Go back to Settings and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps and Features and make sure AirDrop is turned on. If AirDrop is still not working, turn off VPN. Open Settings, find VPN, and disable it. VPNs can sometimes block AirDrop connections. Now, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Release the button and wait for your iPhone to restart. Still not fixed? Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your iPhone will restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and test AirDrop again. Finally, check for iOS updates. Go to Settings. Tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix AirDrop bugs from Apple. And that's it. Your AirDrop should now be working properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.